Hi everyone, this is a video about this Dyson Supersonic, and this one is a special gift edition, and the hair dryer in dark blue and bright copper. Anyhow, this item is just for the purpose of this review or just unboxing, just to tell you what this special gift edition is coming with and how does it look like. And nothing on this side. On this side is just telling you which parts they are coming with this. This one is a styling concentrator, gentle air attachment, and then the diffuser, and this one is wide tooth comb, and this one is flyaway attachment. It just shows you on this part how is, I don't know, fly away the hair while they are while you are blow drying it and styling it a little bit. And on the other side is just this part that it tells you the model number and the serial number, and that is the model number in total. And it tells you here which part this one is coming with, all the accessories and the parts inside. And at the back it's just telling you all about this. I just broke the seal here just to open it and show you what it comes with, this unit. And here, let me just put everything in a picture. If you want, you can pause and read it on your own. And it says fast drying, no extreme heat, engineered for different hair types, and pulse width modulation, enable precise control of the heating elements, powerful airflow, air multiplier technology, amplifies air by 3 times. So that's this part, and then this is all about the head, what it does. And it says glass bead thermistor, thermal sensor measures. Yeah, you can stop, and I just you can pause this and read all of this, but because the video is getting too long, I'm just reading you the highlights of this. No extreme heat, intelligent heat control measures air temperature over 40 times a second. So that is very intense measurements of the heat. And then we have fast drying, Dyson digital motor V9 spins at up to 110 times 110,000 RPM. Wow. And these are the airflow, engineered for balance. The 27mm diameter motor is positioned in the handle for balance. Anyhow, you can pause this and read it. And here at the bottom it says 2-year guarantee, parts and labor. Dyson, and this part is just showing you the turbine of the motor. So now that we read everything, we just put this the right side up, and I just open it and I show you how it looks like. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts in this area. I'm going to unbox it properly. I take the big box out of here, and then we are going to talk about this. And and the model number is HD07, and I think this is the safety elements, important safety instructions, and let me see, and the specification, additional information. You can pause and read it if you like. Nothing else here. Nothing really is telling you how to use this, because I guess it's self-explanatory. And then the unit itself, that's it. Nothing else is in the box but some of these, and that's it. I just pause the video, I get everything out of the wrapping, and I show you what is inside. This is, I just removed everything from the box and took the wrapping of this very gently, and then on this box it just opens like so, and this is how it looks. You open this side and you face with these two items, and this one is at its back, and then these two, nothing is inside here, and that's it. Nothing in this box as well. And everything on this, I'm sure that some of you might know, everything is magnetic and is just with a magnet, it just connects to that. And here we have a seal, something different here, the air seal, and then the brush with Dyson marking. We are going shortly to use all of these. I just put them aside here in this corner, and then here the star of the show is the case that is very well constructed for the price, and the price of this varies from £300 up to £450, and you can buy the second hand as well, but because of the situation that we are in, I do not recommend the second hands. And then the tie is very tight. We have some material inside. It's like a velvet black, you can see, and there is some plastic wrapping on the item itself. And the item, it comes with another layer of protection to avoid scratching the underneath of the handle, and I put that one aside as well. Yes. And here we have the cable. I take it out for the testing. There are lots of wrapping there, and we have a piece here that is a styler. That is, let me just get this out from here. Okay, all right, it's here, and here, and here. This is magnet as well. So I'm going to demonstrate a short bit of this, and then at the bottom we have some spacer and another of these bags situated in there. We gently put it back there because we don't want that. And then we have this, which is, I think, is the warranty. and the pieces that they are coming with this unit. And here we have the instruction manual. And in instruction manual it says, here we have a on or off button, and then we have the cold button, that at any time when you need a little bit of cool air while the temperature is set, if you press this one it goes cool. And we have LED lights for the heat and the blue LED lights for the speed, 3 for each, and that's mainly it. And here is the air inlet, removable filter cage. So we have a filter underneath here, and that's really it. So I put these one aside as well, and then I'm going to try to demonstrate a little bit just a strength and how ergonomic this one is. And I put everything aside and come back. So here is the unit. All the plastic is removed. It's not very heavy, it's very ergonomic. It looks like that is not as heavy as I thought it would be. And here is the magnet bit, and the magnet is strong, is not really soft or weak, and removing it also is, you have to apply certain force to remove it, and if you want to remove it like so, it's very difficult with this force, but if you turn it to the side a bit, it comes off. And I'll let you just look at it fully. And this is the on and off, which is up and down, and then this is momentary switch just to access the cold air as soon as you're wishing while the heat is on. And then the cable, okay, this is what I don't like. The cable is set so it doesn't rotate, and soon I guess this part is going to show its vulnerability because it's set and it doesn't move. The cable is high quality, heat resistant cable, and is rather soft. I guess the shape, you have to leave it open for the shape to go away for all of these bends. I just put it in the mains and make sure it's off, and turn the unit on, the mains on. Now we are on, and here we have a filter, and in this way you can take the filter out, and we have here lock and unlock, and then you can just clean this area and then put this back like so and lock. So the way to turn it on is with this. I have to say the air is very strong. Look at the hair on my arm. And now is on number 3, number 2, number 1, 2, 3, and off. Is very strong, but is rather loud on the third settings of the fan, and it's getting louder, by just turning the heat up. I just let you see how it goes. I just turn it on, and when you turn it on, it just pushes the tip of this, the head of this, to the back because of the air, the amount of air that is pushing through here. If you look at my hand, this is 2. Let me just show you my arm. And 3. And the heat is 1. The 1 is really good enough to dry your hair. 2 is getting a little bit hot. My hand cannot stay there for longer. And the 3, wow, is really hot. At any time, if you want it to go cold, you just press here and watch this light. When you press, it's going immediately cold, and when you leave it, it's going hot again. I have to tell you, it's a little bit loud, but amazingly strong. So I have to recommend this because of the quality and the power that this hairdryer generates, and the look of it is very ergonomic, and all the buttons is accessible for me because I have a rather large hand, medium size, large hand, and for ladies I guess is a little bit more difficult to just access this and that, as well as these two with one hand without losing the grip from here in order to access these. And if you are comfortable with these two, it's really difficult to access these. You have to just slide it up again. I guess that is the price that you are going to pay for something as expensive as this one. So as I mentioned, the price of this is between 300 and 450 pounds with extra attachment and extra case for all of these, pouch case for all of these attachment to be attached to this. And remember, I haven't used any of these, and the pressure was a lot. Let me just show you this once more. This is one, and this is my hair, and now with this a little bit more concentrated. And remember, we are at 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 1. I have to say it's very strong, and for the quality I'm going to recommend this. But for the price, if you can find it in the sales, or Black Friday or something of that sense, under 300 pounds. I mean, if you want to get a perfect not Dyson blow dryer, is at the most 50 pounds up to 80 pounds, or at the maximum 100 pounds with all the attachments and extras and the pouch and carry case and everything. For this you are paying 300 the price, 3 times the price of a top end non-Dyson hair dryer. Yeah, it's up to you, but for the quality, if you have the extra money, I totally recommend this. But if you don't, I guess you can get another item that doing exactly what this one does with a lesser price. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.